How's it going? Hey, it's Saturday. I'm having a slow day at the barn sale today, so I figured I'd pack up some orders. It's brutal cold outside, man. I mean, it's cutting right through you. It's so windy, and it's got to be like 10 out there. It's ridiculous. So I figured I'd do some packing. I got a couple things to do. I got like 10 orders, 10 orders to get out. But what I got to do is I have to get these things out. I got a cool old, sorry, thought someone was here. I got a cool old hotel desk bell. Look at this. I'm using my GoPro today, so it might be a little different. It's a cool bell. Nice. Cast iron on the bottom. I think it's brass on the top. Got one of those I got to get out, and I've got two of these. Yeah, I know, ring for boobies. It's I think every one that was sold made a donation to cancer, breast cancer. So kind of cool. Got these at the dollar store for $1 a pop, and I think I sold them for about $5 a piece. The bell I got in a lot of stuff that I bought, so basically free. I think I sold it for $9, so a couple bucks going out. Now I'm using my GoPro today, and probably will forever, so I'm waiting for the attachment. So we're gonna give this a shot. Hopefully it'll work out. What I'm doing is, obviously these are small, and I don't have any small boxes, so I'm taking a couple of these that I got from the general store. They're called 6As. They measure 12 by 13 by 7. What I do is cut them in half, and I'll show you. Hopefully this will work out. Let's see what happens. I just cut them at the joint, right there at the corner. Whoops. Cut it in half, and then cut it here, so it's even. Then what I do is eyeball it in the middle. This is really going to suck, I think. Cut it there. Cut it there. Flip it. There. There. I can fold it. Hope you guys get this. Sometimes it doesn't work quite the way I'd like it, but it'll work. We'll make it work. Oops. Alright, now chop these guys off. We don't need them. I gotta shut that radio off, I think. That's it. We'll just do the same thing to the other side. And these things should fit in perfectly. Look at that. Do I know what I'm doing, or do I know what I'm doing? I don't know. Do I know what I'm doing? So, just wrap it up. Whoops. Wrap it up with some bubble wrap. Get it in there pretty snug. there you go. I gotta tape it up a little more, but you get the hint. So it's not perfect, it's not beautiful, but when you're in a bind, why not? Gotta get them out. Post office don't care too much as long as it doesn't bulge and is crazy and nasty. So good. That's the way I do it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, please. I got a ton of views on the last one. I went well over 400 views. That's a whole lot for me. I think that's the most I've ever had on one video. Also picked up 5 new subscribers over the last week, maybe 6. I'd name them, but for some reason they don't give me the names. So thank you, whoever you are. It's been a big help. All right, that's it. 3 o'clock. I gotta go see somebody in an hour, and maybe I'll be letting you in on something big. I hope. Talk to you soon. Leave a comment. Say hi. Have a good day. Bye.